This video is such a great example of getting ourselves out of the hassle and loss of logs. And so we're given hx equals log base k x plus m, and that h of 4 is naught, and the inverse with minus 1 is 31 over 10. And so for starters, let me just come back up to here and just say I like to get it out of logs immediately. So the base is the base. It never looks the same, so this can't be x plus m, so it must be y, and this side must be x plus m. So whenever I see a log question, I don't panic, I don't freak out, I just get it out of logs as quickly as possible. Now, is this the inverse, which people sometimes think? No, it's not the inverse, it's just you making it look prettier. So it's still the same original k graph, h graph. And so I can just sub that in for x, because it's normally h of x. So I can sub 4 in for x, and this in for y. So if I do that, it just becomes really nice and manageable. And so m just equals minus 3. So then I can come to the next question, which again, I'm just going to pick up the question from the nicer, rearranged looking version and say, if this is the original still, if I'm going to now deal with the inverse, I'm just going to swap the x and the y, and I'm just going to fill in what the m value was. Okay, so this was still the original hx graph. This is the step where I've begun working with the inverse. And so from here, while I'm working with the inverse, I'm going to sub in this for the x and this for the y value. And so a question that looks quite strange is actually just a lot more palatable once we've got the basics of getting it out of log form. A negative exponent, I like to just take that to the bottom, and then you can see that k would equal 10. And so I hope that you found that video and looking at this initial daunting information a lot easier. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.